In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails between multiple accounts in Outlook, 5 minutes. If you manage more than one email account in Outlook, moving messages from one account to another can keep everything organized and in the right place. Before we start, make sure both accounts are already added to Outlook and visible in your folder pane. You should see each account listed separately with its own inbox and folders. If you don't, add the second account first so it appears as a destination. Open Outlook. If you're using the web, sign in and you'll land on the main dashboard. Switch to the mail view so you can see your message list and folders. On desktop, that's the mail module. On the web, it's simply the mail app. This is where you'll do all the moving. In the folder pane, click the inbox of the account that currently holds the message you want to relocate. If the email is inside a subfolder, open that folder instead. This ensures you're looking directly at the source location. Next, select the email you want to move. You can click once to select a single message. If you need to move several at once, use Shift click to select a range, or Control click on Windows or Command click on Mac to pick non-adjacent messages. Selecting first makes the move option available in the toolbar. With your email selected, go to the Home area. On the desktop app, that's the Home tab on the top ribbon. In the web version, look for the toolbar above your message list. This is where you'll find the Move command. Click Move. A menu will appear with suggested or recent folders, plus an option to browse all folders. Choose the destination folder under the other account. Expand that account if needed, then pick its inbox or any subfolder you want the message to live in. When you confirm, Outlook moves the message, removing it from the original location and placing it in the folder you selected. Give it a moment for the change to sync. You should see the email disappear from the source inbox and appear in the target accounts folder. If you don't see the other account listed, make sure both accounts are connected in Outlook and fully synced, then try again. And if you move something by mistake, look for the undo prompt that appears briefly after the action. That's it. Go to Outlook, open Mail, click the source inbox, select your email, head to Home, click Move, and choose the destination in the other account. Repeat as needed to consolidate messages quickly and keep your mailboxes tidy.